Farm equipment and processes. Slaughter and processing. Slaughter and processing are essential agricultural steps, converting livestock into market-ready products. These stages involve humane handling and precise meat processing, facilitated by modern facilities and equipment to ensure quality and safety.
Jacobson's Butchering Company. At Jacobson's, we believe in humane slaughter and safe practices. Only trained professionals perform the slaughtering. We inspect all animals for disease before butchering. Our processing fees are as follows. Kill fees. Beef, $50 per head. Hog, $35 per head. Lamb, $25 per head. Cut fees. Each cut is priced per pound. Beef, 35 cents per pound. Hogs, 40 cents per pound. Lamb, 35 cents per pound. Not only do we process meat, but we also treat hides. No part of the animal is wasted. Ask about our all-natural dog and cat foods made from offal.
Cultivation and planting equipment. Cultivation and planting equipment are vital in agriculture for efficient soil preparation and precise seed placement, boosting productivity and crop yields.
Classifieds. Used farming equipment for sale. Used broadcast seeder for sale. Spread your seeds and fertilizer with ease. It's reliable and only 1 year old. If interested, call and ask for Jim Drury, 617-555-3958. Buy a 1954 John Deere tractor, great pulling power. Special price if you buy our used planter or transplanter. 617-555-2156. Ask for Linda. Want perfect soil? Buy a rototiller or cultivator for less. Both machines are gently used. Call Dennis Fisk at 627-555-3402. Stone picker for sale. Save your back and buy today. Call J. Henry, 617-555-2948. Need a seed drill or harrow for planting? We have 2 great machines waiting for you. Call Maya Till at 627-555-2395. Preparing fields? Used chisel plow and cultipacker for sale. Call 627-555-9898 for more details.
Harvest equipment. Harvest equipment simplifies crop collection in agriculture, enhancing efficiency and reducing losses. It includes machines like combine harvesters and tractor attachments, vital for timely and effective harvesting, thus boosting farm productivity.
Finneman's Harvesting and Baling. Call 482-555-2115 to schedule services. Finneman's offers a wide range of services. We provide custom harvesting and grain transportation, hay baling, and more. Services for grain crops. We have the best combine harvesters and gleaners around. If you want your grain transported, we can help. Chaser bins or gravity wagons transport your grain from field to storage. We have grain augers and conveyor belts for rent too. We make moving grain easy. Silage. Our forage harvesters are perfect for clearing a field. Don't waste the plant remains after harvest. Rent a forage harvester and make silage. Hay. We provide hay baling. We bring our balers to you. Bale wrappers are available upon request. Don't wait for your hay to dry. Ask about our hay conditioners.